Mass production of Ukrainian interceptor drones is set to begin in the UK, marking a significant step in bolstering Ukraine's defense capabilities. This joint manufacturing project, known as AUKUS, aims to enhance Ukraine's military strength amid ongoing conflict, with production starting within weeks. The initiative reflects the growing collaboration between the UK and Ukraine in defense technology. The UK Ministry of Defence is preparing to issue a tender for the Royal Navy's Atlantic Net anti-submarine warfare program. This move seeks commercial partners to enhance the UK's maritime defence capabilities. The initiative is part of a broader strategy to strengthen the UK's naval operations in the North Atlantic, potentially benefiting defense contractors involved in anti-submarine technologies. US President Trump has reaffirmed the AUKUS agreement, ensuring the construction of nuclear submarines for Australia. This commitment strengthens strategic defense ties between the US, UK, and Australia, reinforcing the geopolitical alliance and boosting confidence in the defense sector. The agreement is expected to drive growth and collaboration in nuclear submarine technology across these nations. Shield AI has unveiled the expedite, a VTOL stealth drone with advanced autonomous capabilities. Designed as a loyal wingman, the expedite represents a leap forward in drone technology, offering enhanced stealth and operational flexibility. This development underscores the ongoing innovation in the drone sector, with potential applications in both military and civilian contexts. The Army's Southern European Task Force Africa has utilized AI in a recent wargame to enhance crisis planning and decision-making. Leveraging the Pentagon's Project Maven, this exercise highlights the increasing integration of AI in military operations, aiming to improve strategic outcomes and operational efficiency in complex environments. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw a slight decline of 0.04% to $181.51. The company's involvement in AI wargaming adoption, as demonstrated by the Army's recent exercises, positions it for potential growth in defense-related AI applications. Investors are watching Palantir's role in enhancing military decision-making capabilities. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a significant rise of 3.61% to $377.18. This increase is linked to the unveiling of Shield AI's new drone, highlighting AeroVironment's potential in expanding drone technology. The company's focus on innovative UAV solutions continues to drive investor interest and market performance. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, dropped 3.24% to $489.50, despite securing a $233 million contract for IRST21 Block II systems. This contract aims to enhance long-range detection for the U.S. Navy and Air National Guard. While the contract win is positive, the stock's decline suggests broader market pressures or profit-taking by investors. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, saw a slight decrease of 0.44% to $599.35. The company is in discussions with the U.S. Air Force to accelerate B-21 Raider production, supported by a $4.5 billion budget. This potential contract growth underscores Northrop's strategic positioning in advanced military aircraft production. Raytheon Technologies, ticker symbol RTX, surged 7.67% to $173.04, benefiting from the US-UK-Australia submarine deal. This geopolitical development has bolstered sector-wide confidence, with Raytheon positioned to capitalize on increased defense spending and collaboration among allied nations. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, rose 0.20% to $217.26 following the appointment of Jeremy Quin as president of its UK operations. This strategic leadership change signals Boeing's commitment to strengthening its presence in the UK defense market, potentially driving future growth and partnerships. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Explore opportunities in AI-driven defense technologies with Palantir and Kratos. 2. Monitor AeroVironment for growth in drone tech following Shield AI's innovations. 3. Watch Northrop Grumman for contract developments in B-21 Raider production.